Hi darlings, thank you for joining me. Today I'm finally going to share with you how I make my English breakfast tea oat milk latte. Now in the mornings I always have one of these lovely cups of tea because it's comforting, delicious, and it just gives me that kick of caffeine that I need. And it's really simple, and so I'm just going to take you really quick through how I make my oat milk latte. Here are the things you will need to create your own English breakfast tea oat milk latte. A tea kettle, a milk frother, English breakfast tea, PG Tips is my absolute favorite, oat milk. I ordered this one off of Amazon. And raw honey. I get this honey from a local honey store. And this one is cactus flower honey. To begin, make sure your kettle has plenty of water. Turn your kettle on. My kettle has a digital readout and I have it set to 212, which is the highest setting. While the kettle is working on your hot water, let's get to frothing the milk. I'm using a milk frother by Nespresso, and inside the frother there is what is called the latte spinny thingy. So that's in there. You need about half a cup of oat milk. Pour that in. Turn on the frother. Now while the milk is frothing and the water is boiling, I like to prepare my glass. So in a coffee cup or a larger tea mug, I add a heaping tablespoon of raw honey. I toss in 1 tea bag. I pour in my frothed oat milk first. And I gently stir to break up that chunk of raw honey in the bottom. Our kettle is quickly reaching the full temperature of 212 degrees, which is a nice roaring boil. Black tea always needs boiling water. I'm just gonna go ahead and turn that off. I feel like that is plenty hot. 211 is close enough. Now you just pour in. It's going to be equal parts water to milk. Stir to make sure all the honey has dissolved inside. You can go ahead and leave the tea bag in if you like your tea stronger, or you can remove it. It just depends for me. Some days I like it extra strong and some days I take the tea bag out. Okay darlings, I told you it was really simple how I make this tea. It's all about the ratio, and be sure that you try, no matter the size cup you have, that you do equal parts water to your milk, and your oat milk latte will come out absolutely delicious every single time. And of course you can adjust the sweetness to what your palate likes. And anyway guys, I gotta go before I finish drinking this tea. As you can see, I've already been sipping it. Anyway, I love you guys. Thank you for watching. See you on the next one. Cheers.